Want to take your driving experience to the next level? Upgrading your car speakers is one of the best ways to boost sound quality and feel every beat like never before. Whether you're after heart-thumping bass or crystal clear vocals, we've rounded up the top 6 best car speakers that deliver top-notch performance, no matter your budget. Product links are in the description box below. Let's dive in. Number 6, Kicker 46CS654 CS Series 6-110-2 two-way coaxial speakers. Kicker's 46CS654 6-110-2 two-way car coaxial speakers sound incredible, and more importantly, for the folks looking for a simple but noticeable audio upgrade in their vehicle, they don't need gobs of juice to perform well. These were huge points in determining that these Kicker speakers deserved the Best Low-Power Car Coaxial Speaker Award. The polypropylene woofer cones couple quite well with the PEI dome tweeters for well-balanced natural sound. The tweeter on each speaker boasts zero protrusion, so you don't have to be concerned with the tweeter hitting the inside of the door panel when you're putting everything back together after the installation. And speaking of installation, Kicker put a lot of time and thought into the fitment of the rear part of the speaker too. Measuring only 1/11/16 in top mount depth, this speaker system should have no issues being installed in virtually any vehicle. A pair of stylish protective grills is also included in case you need them. If you're looking for even better sound, consider adding a small amplifier to the mix to enjoy these car speakers even more. Number 5. Focal Mobile ISU 165 Universal Integration 6-1-2 two-way component speakers. The ISU 165 6-1-2 component car speakers are hands down one of the best options available if you're looking to upgrade from a rather dull sound system in your vehicle to a better sounding experience, which is why you see them under our best car component speakers under $500 header. The woofer cones are made using Focal's polyglass technology, which is the result of adhering micro glass balls to a pulp cone. This allows the woofer cone to have a fair amount of rigidity without weighing much. This improves mid-range and mid-bass response while limiting distortion potential. Aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeters deliver smooth high-frequency response and are protected from harmful frequencies by the slim inline crossover focal supplies. The ISU 165 speakers can handle up to 70 watts of continuous power and up to 140 watts of peak power, but thanks to their 4 ohm impedance and 93 dB sensitivity rating, these things will sound wonderful even running off a factory-installed radio. If you add an amplifier to power them into the fold, they will sound even better. With a mounting depth measuring only 1/15/16, the woofers will fit into almost any location imaginable. Please note that Focal does not include speaker grills, as they expect the ISU 165 speakers to reside behind existing grills. So, what are you waiting for? Number 4. Focal Mobile ASE 165 6.5 two-way component kit. If you've done any research on upgrading your vehicle's speakers, there's a very strong chance that you saw Focal's name pop up a time or two. That's because they are darn good at what they do. And their Auditor Series ASE 165 6-1-2 two-way car component speakers show the incredible value you receive from the French speaker manufacturer. Smooth mid-range and tight mid-bass response are delivered via the polypropylene woofer cones, while detailed high-frequency response from the Mylar inverted dome tweeters makes the nuances in your music emerge effortlessly. Simple but efficient, compact crossovers are tasked with the duty of separating the incoming audio signal and sending the appropriate audio information to the proper driver. Mid-range and mid-bass go to the woofers, while highs go to the tweeters. We love how small these crossovers are because it makes installing the system so much easier. Also making the installation easier is the 2-1-2 mounting depth of the woofers. That type of depth should fit in virtually any vehicle. All of A. The aforementioned criteria are why we awarded them the Best Car Component Speakers under $200 title. While the ASE 165 speakers are designed to thrive in a low-power environment, such as running off a factory-installed or aftermarket stereo, you will get the utmost in performance if you team them up with a 60-watt per-channel amplifier. In doing so, the speakers will achieve better sound quality as well as play more loudly. Win-win, we believe. Number 3 Kicker 46CSS654 CS Series 61-2 two-way component speakers. Kicker has designed their 46CSS654 CS Series two-way 61-2 car component speakers to be a hefty upgrade over what's installed in most cars, trucks, and SUVs today. A lot of research and development went into these speakers to ensure that they sound good and last a long time. Woofer cones crafted from polypropylene are attached to the speaker's durable stamped basket via ribbed polyester foam surrounds and 3/4 titanium tweeters. All but assure you that they are truly great sounding speakers, which is what you see them winning the Best Value Car Component Speakers title. Boasting a woofer mounting depth of only 1/1316, you should find few installation woes in your vehicle of choice. Even the included crossovers are compact enough to tuck away into a door or under the dash for a discreet location. If you need some protection for the speakers, Kicker thoughtfully included some grills for this very reason. This 4-ohm car component speaker kit will handle up to 100 watts of continuous power and then up to 300 watts of max power, so you have a few options for powering them. Factory installed radio, aftermarket radio, or an amplifier. Well, what are you waiting for? Click the Add to Cart button and start your journey to better sounding audio today. Number 2. Focal Mobile 165 AC Access 60 1.2 two-way coaxial speakers. If you're looking for a truly outstanding pair of 6 1.2 two-way coaxial car speakers, check out Focal's 16 AC Access Series Kit, which won our best car coaxial speakers under $300. Boasting dual fiberglass structure, DFS woofer cones that deliver some great mid-range and mid-bass response, coupled to an aluminum inverted dome tweeter that sounds plain gorgeous, you will not be able to find a better solution to your audio dilemma. We want to talk about the tweeter a bit more, as it is unique to a coaxial speaker design. The tweeter in the middle of each speaker is in an angled mount atop a rotatable post. This means that you're able to spin this tweeter post to get the tweeters to project their sound towards your ears. You will hear more detail in every bit of music you listen to. This 4-ohm speaker kit can handle up to 120 watts of peak power, up to 60 watts RMS, so your choices are wide. Power them off the existing audio system or add a small, robust amplifier to make these things sing. Each speaker's ABS fiberglass basket is only 1/2 deep, so you should have no installation worries in most vehicles. If you're not planning on using the existing speaker grills in the car, or they don't exist, Focal has some in the box with these speakers. Number 1. Kenwood KFC X174 6 1 and 2 Exelon 2-way coaxial speakers. Kenwood's KFC X174 6 1 and 2 two-way car coaxial speakers sound incredible, and, more importantly, for the folks looking for a simple but noticeable audio upgrade in their vehicle, they don't need gobs of juice to perform well. The injection-molded polypropylene woofer cones couple quite well with the 1/12 soft dome tweeters for well-balanced natural sound. You can throw anything from classical music to heavy metal, and these speakers will perform quite well. We think you can see why we believe they should own our Best Value Car Coaxial Speakers title. If you're still a tad unsure, please read on. Kenwood put thought into the fitment of the rear part of the speaker too. Measuring only 2:1.4 in top mount depth, this speaker system should have no issues being installed in virtually any vehicle. A pair of stylish protective grills is included in case you need them too. The KFC X174 speakers handle a wide range of power, up to 80 watts of continuous power handling, to be specific. This means that anywhere from a factory-installed radio to an aftermarket amplifier can be used to drive these coaxial speakers. You've got a future upgrade path if you decide to add an amplifier in the future for even better sound quality. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.